Hey, Glow Show Shane here. We're gonna make this absolutely epic here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put some roof lights, we call them skyliners, right here and right here on each 4 sections. And then on the inside, we're gonna put what we call enlighteners to add volume to the ceiling. We're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 on this side, 4, and then 2. And then we're gonna drill in little holes right here to put mariners coming down. So we got extra downlight on things like the kitchen and the sink, and all that's gonna be ran to switches behind there so we can control the different levels of lighting. And then lastly, we got these pots that we're gonna put tiki torches in with custom 2-inch copper so that we can have a flame on the top of the tiki torch, and it's gonna have a downlight. And we're gonna put some succulents there so they don't have to be watered regularly. Ooh, this is gonna look epic. We're also gonna put under the bench lights right here. Stay tuned.
Codeine fangs in a cup too thick. Life on edge, I was born to risk. Still need more, never had no fix. Never. Chrome on waist like I'm strapped with style. Tats on face, make the label wild. Neck on dance, it's a Playboy smile. Still might curve her, I've been like this a while. I need it bad, no cap, I'm twitching. 100 on dash and a wrist on glitching. Stack too tall, can't fold, no flinching. She want a ring, but I'm ghost, I'm missing. Talking that check, I'm fluent, I get it. Hop in the jet, no T, say ticket. Drip too mean and my fit too wicked. Play with the gang, you swim with the fishes. Bad, 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 I need it. Fast, 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 I speed it. Racks on racks, I bleed it. This life, I fiend it, yeah.